Hello friends. So in today's option trading plan, we will be discussing about the next week strategy. And the reason to share this video during market hours is because tomorrow market is closed, and also there is a long weekend. Apart from this, there is a holiday on Tuesday as well. So जिसको position लेना रहेगा, they can take it during the market hour itself instead of waiting for Monday. So that's why I'm sharing this video during the market hour itself. So let's start with this video. So for the option trading plan that we have discussed on 14th October expiry, at that time we have shorted two strike which was 18,000, and the second was 17,500. एंड जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो 18,000 के ऊपर मार्केट है, एंड यहाँ पे जो लॉस बता रहे हो 7,000 है. बट अगर हम देखें निफ्टी का चार्ट, तो हमारा जो स्टॉप लॉस था वो कल ही हिट हो गया था, बिकॉज निफ्टी हैड क्लोज्ड अबाउट 18,000 एट दैट टाइम, एंड हमारा जो स्टॉप लॉस है वो हिट हो गया था. एंड एट दैट टाइम द लॉस वाज अराउंड 4,000 रुपीज पर लॉट. एंड जो हमारा रिस्क रिवॉर्ड है, मतलब जो हमारा लॉस है वो हमें बेयर करना पड़ा बेसिकली, एंड वी हैव लॉस्ट 4,000 per lot in this case. So without like regretting about this, and without then we should use the upcoming opportunities as well. We don't know कि ये loss हमारा जो loss है, we have made decent bucks also in the past yet, but again we will be recovering it, and we will be following the same setup. Instead of changing the setup frequently, we will follow the same trading plan as well. So let's start with the option expiry for the option trading plan for 21st October expiry, which is the next Thursday. So I will just share the technical analysis first. So on the downside, there is a crucial support, like this was the important level. So this breakout I had already shared 3 days back, and this breakout it happened on Nifty. And जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, ये भी ये resistance था यहाँ पे, and now it is acting, it will be acting as a support. And ये जो level है वो 17,947 है, and इसको हम round figure लेके तो 18,000 we can take it as a round figure. And on the upside अगर हम देखें, upside पे as such there is no resistance level, because Nifty is in uncharted territory right now. And अभी अगर हम resistance अगर plot करना चाहे तो we can say that 18,500 can be a resistance for Nifty for this thing, because it is a psychological level. And also on the basis of this rounded bottom breakout जो हमने discuss किया था last week, ये week के breakout में, so we fit calculated target also on the basis of this. So हमारा जो target आ रहा है, it is around this level, which is 18,445. एंड अगर आप लोगों ने ये मतलब मैंने सेम ट्रेडिंग सेटअप एंड एवरीथिंग आई शेयर्ड इट जब ये ब्रेकआउट हुआ था निफ्टी में एट अराउंड 19,450. एंड अगर हम अभी देखें तो इट हैड रैलीड ऑलमोस्ट 350 पॉइंट्स, एंड ये हमने अपडेट किया था ऑन ट्विटर चैनल. सो बेसिकली आप ट्विटर पे चेक कर सकते हो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस अगर हम अभी देखें लेवल्स, so the crucial level is 17,950, which is roughly around 18,000, and the upside there is 18,450, or we can take a bigger range which is 18,500. So these are the two levels that we will be watching out for support and resistance. And अगर हम call and put short करना है इस level पे, तो we will be shorting calls at 18,500, and on the put side we will be shorting puts at 18,000 basically. So we will be taking these two strikes, and हम यहाँ पे 18,500 का call short करेंगे and 18,000 का put short करेंगे. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस हमारा जो स्टॉप लॉस, पहले हम अपना हेज भी पोजीशन डिसाइड कर लेते, तो इसमें हम 200 पॉइंट्स दूर के ऑप्शंस बाय करेंगे बेसिकली. सो 18,500 प्लस 200 which is 18,700 कॉल ऑप्शन we will buy, and on the downside we will be buying 18,000 minus 200 which is 17,800 put option that we will be buying to hedge our this two position. एंड जो हमारा स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा इट विल बी क्लियर अगर निफ्टी क्लोजेस अबाउ 18,500 और निफ्टी क्लोजेस बिलो 18,000, तो हम अपना पोजीशन भी क्लोज कर देंगे उस केस में, वी विल नॉट कैरी आवर पोजीशन. सो ऑन द क्लोजिंग बेसिस इफ निफ्टी क्लोजेस अबाउट दिस 18,500 और इफ निफ्टी क्लोजेस बिलो 18,000, तो वी विल बी एग्जिटिंग ऑल आवर पोजीशन, जैसे कि हमने लास्ट वीक ये वीक में किया है ऑन यस्टरडे जब हमारा स्टॉप लॉस बेसिकली हिट हो गया था. So we will follow the same thing. अगर अभी हम प्रीमियम्स देखें ऑप्शंस में, so we will just see all the premiums now. The first option is 18,500, 21st October expiry. The second is 18,000. We will be hedging by 18,700, 200 points away option, and 17,800. So we have got all the strikes now. So this is the options premium that we are having currently. And अभी हम इसको पे ऑफ चार्ट में भी देखेंगे कि what is the current payoff for this option premiums. So we will just load this thing again. So यहाँ पे options 18,500 call and 21st expiry 21st October sell 18,000 put option. So these two positions are naked position जहाँ पे हमने कोई hedge नहीं किया इसमें and the maximum profit यहाँ पे है जो 3800 के आसपास है. So अभी हम इसमें अपना hedge positions भी ऐड कर लेंगे, so which is 17,800 put option and on the upside it will be 18,700 call option. तो ये अपना पूरा पोजीशन यहाँ पे बन गया है एंड द पे ऑफ जो हमें दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ प्रॉफिट इज अराउंड 61%. जो मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट है वो 2500 एंड द मैक्सिमम लॉस इज अराउंड 7500. सो रिस्क रिवॉर्ड इज 1:3:1. if we see the margin that is required is around 47,000 and अगर हमारा मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट पे हमारा जो प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इट विल बी 5.3%. So this is the payoff chart and I will share this payoff in the description section of this video so you can track the payoff as well during the live market. And this is all about today's option trading plan for 21st October expiry. And यहाँ पे हमने जैसे टेक्निकल सेटअप पे भी डिस्कस किया, we have already shared the exit plan as well. और one more thing, अगर if Nifty is trading in between these two ranges for the next week, then we will hold the position till the expiry day and we will let it expire as an OTM options. So this is again an exit plan. And one more important update, I would suggest not to regret about the loss because it is only the 4,000 rupees loss and we are making a good profit as well in using the same strategy. And no strategy is perfect, you will face a loss as well. It is important that you stick with the setup that is highly probable trading setup, and in the long run you will definitely be the net profitable. So that is the update. And if you have learned anything from this video and अगर आपको ऐसे videos और भी फ्यूचर में नोटिफिकेशन वगैरह आता रहे इसके लिए you can subscribe to our channel and also you can like this video if you have learned anything about the option trading and also you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram where I keep on updating about the live market. जो भी charts है analysis I keep on updating on these two platforms. Also there is a disclaimer with this video. Thank you guys.